Google just dropped the Pixel 10 Pro, and it might be the smartest phone ever made. Here's everything you need to know. First up, sleek knee design, thinner bezels, matte finish, and a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display. That means adaptive refresh up to 120 Hz, buttery smooth scrolling, and 2000 nits peak brightness outdoors. Under the hood, meet the all-new Tensor G5 chip built on a 3nm architecture. It's faster, cooler, and way more efficient. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just multitasking, this thing flies. But the real magic? AI. Everywhere. Video generative AI lets you fix shaky clips. Sketch to image turns your doodle into real art. And the new AI voice assistant, it actually understands you. The camera system is insane. 50MP main sensor, 64MP telephoto with 5x optical, ultra-wide with macro. Low-light shots are even better, and video finally gets cinematic-grade stabilization. You get a 5,100 mAh battery, fast charging, wireless reverse charging, and it's still IP68 rated. Starts at $999 and ships with Android 16 with 7 years of updates. If you're waiting for a phone that's actually smart, the Pixel 10 Pro might just be it. Like, subscribe, and let me know, Pixel 10 Pro or nah?